Number 1. Overnight chia pudding. Mix chia seeds with almond milk, sweetener of choice, and your favorite toppings like berries and nuts. Let it sit overnight for a nutritious and filling breakfast. Number 2. Veggie omelette. Whisk together eggs and sautéed vegetables like spinach, bell peppers, mushrooms, and onions. Cook it in a non-stick pan for a protein-packed breakfast. Number 3. Greek yogurt parfait. Layer Greek yogurt, fresh berries, and granola for a protein-rich and antioxidant-filled breakfast option. Number 4. Avocado toast. Toast whole grain bread and top it with mashed avocado, a sprinkle of sea salt, and a squeeze of lemon juice for a delicious and nutritious breakfast. Number 5. Smoothie bowl. Blend frozen fruits, spinach or kale, Greek yogurt, and a liquid of choice, such as almond milk or coconut water. Top it with your favorite fruits, nuts, and seeds for a refreshing breakfast bowl.